Good morning. My name is Reverend Annie Batchelder, and welcome to the Wednesday morning live channeling or whatever. I never really know what the guides are going to do when I do these things, so I just show up, put on my pearls, see what happens. Just take a moment to become aware of your breath. Let your breath float you. Let your breath float you. Just float on your breath. Inhale to the point of satisfaction and exhale to the point of emptiness. Not stressing, not straining. There's no right way to do this. Just being aware of your breath. Letting your breath add to your buoyancy and to the light that is alive within you. By the power of divine light within you, within me, within all of us. We are that light. We have it within us. We embody it. We access it all around us. By the power of divine light within us, we connect with one another's light. The light is our point of connection. By the power of divine light within us, we know our own aliveness. And we know our own energy signature. By the power of divine light within us, we are lifted up. Feet, legs, trunk, arms, head, soul. We are lifted up. Moved easily and effortlessly into the higher dimensions. Easily and effortlessly connected to the divine. In fact, we are held in the heart of the divine right now. Feel the heart of the divine surrounding you, breathing you, cradling you, cradling all of us. There's no one left out. All are here. All are eligible. We all crave this light, this connection. Let your own heart open up. Let your own heart flower with compassion for yourself and for all others, human, animal, insect, mineral, vegetable. Your heart is so large and held so steady in the heart of the divine. And as your heart continues to open to new levels, and these new expansions allow your connection to divine love to grow larger, stronger, and to stabilize within you. Just let the energy, the light move through you. Allow yourself to receive as much as you can of this divine light. The light is looking for pockets in you where it needs to go to refresh your physical energy, to reinvigorate your enthusiasm for life. The light is finding those pockets within you that are so hungry for illumination, divine connection, divine guidance. And it is through your heart that you receive. And as you are receiving bits of old, expired energy removed, you can exhale them out, giving them to the divine. bits of old mind programming that no longer apply. Just drift off. And the divine light that is coming into you so strongly a beautiful, beautiful waterfall of light coming into your physical body, filling you up from the feet upward. Divine light, like a waterfall, cleansing you. Filling all the live cells with more energy. Granting your physical body order, organization. Bringing in a new level of divine light that exists within you, shaped and fueled by that beautiful divine power that you know as your oldest and closest friend. The divine that has been there in your dark night of the soul. That has moved you. And all the inspiring directions throughout your life. The more that you receive this light, the more that you will find yourself communing with the light of the divine, the source. And you are breathing light. Inhaling as if you could inhale through the tips of your toes all the way into your body and out the top of your head. May have a sense of eternity in this moment. Breathe and float. On this light. Breathe and float. You may need to release something more to allow that next fullness of light and breath. Surrender your pain, your sadness, your attachment to the past. Surrender, surrender, surrender. Allow even more room. This light and for the divine to live in and through you. Those of you who feel you are agents of the divine, strong soul purpose. Let this light, infinitely wise, know exactly what you need. Clarity, inspiration, upliftment. You are being cradled in the heart of the divine. You are being held steady in you, this waterfall of light. A light that you know. It matches your light. You are created in this light and in this love. And you were created with this light and this love. And this light and this love flows through you. And this is the light that comes through you when you connect deeply, eye to eye and heart to heart, with any other life form. And know that you need this light on a regular basis. This divine love, this divine light, this divine gift is offered to you free, made available to you whenever you. Let us all link together in this waterfall of light, joining our lights together as one and surrounding all places and all peoples who are in distress, physical, spiritual, mortal distress, any kind of distress. And let this light be available to them. You may even see people standing in the shower of light, soaking it up until they are full and glowing. We hold them in this light. We share this light. There is an endless, infinite supply of this light. See peoples all over the world being refreshed and renewed by this light, filled with divine love and the light of aliveness. This light is theirs to share, to give to one another. You may even be finding yourself taking rocket shells and filling them with light and sending them up over the earth, and they explode, much like fireworks in the sky, delivering light around the globe. And now take this light and send it to the center point, the balance point within Mother Earth. Let yourself be a conduit for light, for the planet. You can feel now you, Mother Earth, and the divine all held steady in the divine's heart. Now begin to become more aware of your physical body. Physical surroundings. Find gratitude in your heart. So happy to have you here. Thank you for being with me. I see you, Marco. I see you, Stephanie. Thank you so much for being here. Good morning, Don, Irene, Avery. Hello. Thank you all. I want to remind you that I'm having a class next Monday, the 14th of November, 5 p.m. Pacific, on receiving, expanding your receiving. And just the guides made me aware how we're all struggling, work very hard, sending out energy, sending out missives, trying to get more traction, money, awareness, whatever. You're welcome. Thank you. And we need to receive in balance with our putting out. So we need to bring in as well as send out, bring in and send out. And I just feel that this whole meditation was a great preparation for the class that they're going to be leading a 2-hour class on Zoom, only $44 tuition. I would love to have you there. Can you feel my elbow in your ribs there, Dawn? Hint, hint. And anyone else that you know, it's going to be fun and it's going to be rich. All right. Thank you again for being with me. If you have a comment, leave it here on Facebook or on YouTube. It's my pleasure to be with you this morning. And join me again at 9 a.m. on Wednesdays. You have to become a member, though, of my Bringing Forth Soul Consciousness group. And I do more channeling and I take questions. So you have to beat Stephanie to the question, though. You have to be very fast, think ahead, know what your question is and post it. Otherwise, Stephanie, she asks the best questions. It's really wonderful. Keeps things rolling. I love you all.